Hi, my name is still Yulian, and today I prepared for you a new lecture about makeup. And our topic today, highlighter, an element that can bring you up a lot of structure of your face that you haven't even know that it exists. The element that can bring an aesthetic view to us. The element that you may not have, so you use shadow instead of it. As me, all of it in my marathon. Like any other product, excessive highlighter can make your skin look greasy. When you start it without any ideal view in your head, you should bring some basics to your makeup to make it feel better. So we start our journey from the base. Highlighters put your features to words, so it can bring you up a natural glow. Usually it's used on the cheekbones, brow bone, under your brow, tail, on the inner corner of your eyes, on the cupid's bow, on the tip of your nose, and on the bridge. Highlighters can make your features look bigger than it seems at the first glance. On the one hand, it is a good idea, but on the other, it can do a lot of problems to your makeup. If you use product on the inner corners, you should understand your eyes placement, the size that we will choose. This is the size of your eyes from inner to outer corner. You should compare it with distance between eyes from inner corner to inner corner. If you had close set eyes, when your eye size bigger than your distance, it is the good way to use highlighter on the inner corner without any other shit. If you have normally set eyes, as me, I think so, you can do highlighter on your inner corner and it just brighten in this area, make your look more balanced. If you have far set eyes, when the distance between eyes bigger than your eye size, you can use highlighter on the inner corner, but you should remember that this highlighter will further apart your eyes from each other. If you want to balance it, you want to use dark accents on the inner corner. It can be dark shade of shadow. If you use on the outer corner, you can bring it to inner corner of your eye crease. This will compensate your look. Highlight on the brow bone and on the cheekbone lifts your face. Highlight on your nose and on the cupid's bow emphasize your beauty. If you use highlighter on the bridge of your nose and on the tip, it makes nose look slim and nice. And when you use it on the cupid's bow, it make your lips fuller. Also, you can add some bright accents under your eyes, on the eyelids, to make it look bigger, your eyes look bigger. It can make some crying effects, but I still like this method, so I talk about it with you now. Also, when you have slick back hairstyle as Bella Hadid, you can add highlight on the center of the arch of forehead. Just make sure that your face shape isn't elongate with this thing, especially for oval, rectangle, diamonds, sometimes heart-shaped faces. You should avoid some from the T-zone. It is the center of the forehead, apples of your cheeks, chin. Don't use highlighter here. You don't want to make it look oily. I think that is all that I want to talk about today. I don't even study my phone on the tripod. Remember that you can do what you want with your face if you feel that it looks good on you. It brings your aura to us. So that is the end of this video. Have a good outfit and stylish mood. Subscribe to other my social media and bye.